tano marongithia na turi no murarucire mwana wake just the other week na tario ijio utania ne mahoyaga rutha ngarigwo nguhe unu itakuhe tondu auga kana ne enda guthie kuongithia kari mucie na ucu wothe turi haha. I am of the feeling that ntukuhota kwatendi irathi citu wega gutari na disruption na no tucokeirie this organization igatho muno ni kupik gachatha as a center of a pilot center na nitukwenda ku maintain a facility yo tondu nwake no toguo ndauga arutani itware ingiru riu ane mahariirie muno kugia twana koguo thank you very much to Kiwatho and ndejo tuguthie na mbere wega. Asante sana.
We are here in Kirinyaga to launch lactation centers for our female teachers. This has been a cry of teachers of childbearing for years, longing to be able to think of their work plus think of their children. If you know what it means to leave your child unattended and you have walked away with her milk or his milk. But now we are providing a center for these teachers to be able to come with their children or the child is brought to school. This will not interrupt the learning because the child can be fed at break time or lunch time.
Kwa majina naitwa Liz ama Madam Mutwiri hapa. We are very grateful for Kiwatho to come and take our school among many other schools